Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for June 27th through July 8th. We're going to start with the period for June 27th through July 1st. The pattern will begin to look more like summer with a trough over the Gulf of Alaska, a ridge over northwest Canada, and a trough near Baffin Island. A strong ridge is forecast to build northward from the Caribbean and Eastern Pacific across the eastern states. Next, we're going to look at the period for June 30th through July 4th. We're looking at the GFS, and most of the models are in good agreement. As you can see, they're forecasting relatively a zonal flow. Most of the models are forecasting below normal heights and a weak trough here across this region, but generally above normal heights across much of the nation. This is the GFS. On the 30th, we're going to jump to the 2nd, and then we're going to go to the 4th, and you can see the GFS has near to above normal heights across much of the nation. And we have a weak trough here over this region that will affect the northwest. That's the GFS. We're looking now at the European deterministics. Still a zonal flow. Still have a zonal flow across this area here. Above normal heights building into the west. We still have indications of a trough across this region here. And this is the European ensembles, where as you see the European ensembles has more of a heights building into the west coast, but still a zonal flow. And the Canadian ensembles showing same thing. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this area and above normal precipitation for this region. Last is for the period July 5th to the 9th. So I'm going to go to the 5th, I'm sorry. Here's the the GFS. Still have this trough here below normal heights or closed low, you can see here. And above normal heights here and across this area. A little bit of buckling here, but generally the models are showing generally a flat flow, and it doesn't really matter much. That's the GFS. Here is the European deterministics. And I look at this map here, it has above normal heights across much of the nation and weak troughing here, where other models were stronger. And that shows up in the European ensembles as well. See the little weak trough and above normal heights here. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this region, above normal temperatures here, and for the East Coast region. And for precipitation, now the precipitation is a little bit different. They're not even really showing below normal precipitation here, more like near normal. But I'm going with persistence here because they're kind of flip-flopping. Some is showing above, some is showing below, and especially here across, especially this region here across the eastern U.S. The models are flipping back and forth with above and below, so I had to go with near normal here, but below normal precipitation for this region. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for June 27th through July 9th. And I want to remind you that these videos are available on my website in the video section. And also on the homepage, the latest one is put on the homepage there, so check them out. So that's it for now, and have a good day.